All right, good morning. Third video of the series of my Samsung refrigerator. It is Sunday, January 19th, 9:09 a.m. This baby's been closed since, I don't know, 7 or 8 last night. Somewhere in there. No one's opened it. Set at 34, so you'd think it would be somewhat near that. Let's see what the thermometer inside has to say. 42 degrees in here. 42 degrees. Again, there's my model number. Manufactured date of March 2017. Not even 3 years old. Plenty of room up here. I mean, it's really not overcrowded for a fridge with a family of 5. Also, my wife runs a daycare, so a licensed daycare through the state of Minnesota. So this could be a really big problem